Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and minimizing risk. Wear an anti-static strap and work on a non-conductive surface. Once done, remove the cover screws and hinge the chassis open to expose the switchboard. Make sure to label each cable and take 3 reference photos to preserve orientation. Next, gently unplug ribbon cables using a flat tool, do not pull on wires, and unscrew the mounting screws holding the board. These first mechanical steps set you up for safe, accurate removal. Now you will free the board from internal attachments, work methodically, and keep parts organized. First, unlock ribbon connectors and fold them back out of the way. Next, desolder or unplug hardwired jumpers, heat briefly and use wick to avoid lifting pads. Once connectors are clear, remove standoffs and check for spring clips under labels or foam. Some fasteners hide near the bezel. If screws resist, apply steady torque. Avoid stripping. Place removed screws in a labeled tray, so reassembly is straightforward. Lift the board straight up, supporting edges to prevent bending. You should feel it clear the standoffs. Once free, inspect all pads and traces under good light for lifted copper or cracked solder joints, and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. For reinstallation, reverse the steps. Seat the board, refasten standoffs, reconnect ribbons and power. If the unit fails to power, check connector seating and continuity with a multimeter. Common issue: one ribbon not fully engaged. That single check often resolves startup faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.